I recently realized that I lost one of my tire valve caps, so I decided to pick up this set of CK Auto tire valve caps as a replacement. I decided to pick this set specifically because they were really affordable. They have a simple, sleek look, and they also feature plastic inner valve caps, which will supposedly protect the valves from corrosion. Since when you shop online, sometimes it can be hard to tell whether or not something's going to do what you need it to. Now that I have these in hand, I'm going to take them out, install them over my tire valves, and we're going to see how well they fit on my set of standard tires. Let's go. Nice, that went on really easily. Looks pretty solid. There's not any kind of pull or play with it, even though it uses a plastic inner tube and anodized aluminum outer. Down. Takes literally 2 seconds. These are super easy to install. And just like that, we are good to go. And there we go. The caps fit my tires perfectly. They were really easy to install. They stay on tight and there wasn't any kind of play coming from them. And they do look pretty nice, if I do say so myself, with a bit of a subtle shine to them since they're made out of aluminum. So if you're looking for a set of affordable yet high quality tire valve caps for your tires, pick up this one for yourself today and you're going to be set.